Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight.
Happy birthday, Jello.
Happy birthday, Jello!
More birthday to
More
come.
birthday to come!
God bless. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Yes!
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday!
Ay, Jello! Happy birthday! Ang ingay ng kaklase ko. Okay. Happy birthday! Tanda mo pa ba si Jose? 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 Bahala ka na. Okay. Sana lumaking may takot sa Diyos and laging alagaan ng mga kapatid. Okay? Happy birthday! Sana magkita tayo soon.
Hello, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday! Kilala mo pa si Tita Yas? Ang laki-laki mo na. Sana all nasa Canada. Ang bata-bata mo pa lang. Ang dami mo nang narating. At alam ko na magiging masaya ka kasama mo si Mami, si Daddy, mga kapatid mo, si Tita Ash at si Tito Gian. Sana lagi kang maging masaya dyan kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo. At sana mas malayo pa ang marating mo. Bata ka pa lang, ang layo na nang narating mo talaga. Sana maalala mo pa ako pagdating ng panahon. Nagkasama tayo sa Portelo. Kilala mo si Maya, hindi na magkababata kayo noon. Sana isang araw ay magkita tayo. Pero parang medyo malabo na kasi dyan ka na. Basta lagi mong tatandaan na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? We love you, Jello. Stay happy and God bless. More blessings to come. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight. Happy birthday to you.
Jello, happy birthday! God bless you always!
Hi, Jello. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you.
Hello, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday. Si Tito Julius to. I miss you at alam ko lumalaki kang mabait na bata at patuloy mo pa ang magiging masunurin at mabait na bata. And hope to see you soon pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas. Laging mag-aaral at laging mag-iingat. I love you, Jello. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jello. Happy birthday, Jello. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jello. Happy birthday, Jello. Love you.
Hello, Jello. Happy birthday. Mabait ka lagi dyan. Lagi kang susunod sa mama at papa mo, okay? Pati na rin kala Tito Gian mo sa Tita Ashley. Tita Ash. Mabait ka dyan. Ingat.
Happy birthday, buti ako'y nakasama. Pasensya na kasi huli na akong nayaya. Nabalitaan ko kasi na magpapainom ka. Buti na lang ako'y nakapuntaya. Di ka pwedeng malungkot sa iyong best day. Asa na yung music natin, paki-press play. Hanggang umaga tayo dito magse-celebrate. Ilabas nyo na yung birthday cake.
Happy birthday, Jello.
Ingat po kayo.
God bless you. Ingat lagi. Enjoy your birthday. We love you, Jello. Jello.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jello. Wish you more birthdays to come. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi. Happy birthday, Jello.
Happy birthday!
Birthday ko, Jello. Pagkabait ka. And, galingan mo sa study. And, yeah, be a good kuya. Always. So, pray always then. Happy birthday.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Idol Jilo. Many more birthdays to come para sa'yo. Good health palagi. And don't forget our date tomorrow. I'll see you. Happy birthday, Jilo. Bye. See you.
Happy birthday to you, to you, you. Happy birthday to you, you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Kuya Jello, happy birthday. I'm Tita Leia here in Italy. Enjoy your day. Alam ko magiging masaya ka ngayong araw na to dahil alam ko maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, maraming babati sa'yo. So enjoy mo lang yan. Nandito kami ng mga tito at titas mo na nagmamahal sa'yo, ang mga pinsan mo, pinaaabot na lang nila sa'yo ang pagbati nilang lahat. From Abad family and Lizardo family, we love you. Hope to see you soon. Be a good boy at alam ko namang napaka-good boy mo. Naririnig ko yung kay Tita Asha at saka kay Tita Beth. So naniniwala naman ako. Alam kong proud na proud ang mami at daddy mo sa'yo. Kahit kami mga tito at titas mo, proud na proud kami sa'yo. We love you. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Je. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Look at you.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kuya Jello.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Jello. I love you, Kuya.
Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya. Pasan mo? Happy birthday, Kuya Jello.
I love you. Lasan mo.
I love. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. We love you. Birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. I love you and miss you. Mama. Chuchu. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. We really miss you. We hope to see you soon. We love you, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday again.
Flying! Whee! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. I love you. Mga chuchuk.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. We love you. Always remember that we are here for you no matter what.
Be a good boy always and be a responsible kuya. Alam mo na yun. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello! We love you! Wish ko sa'yo ay sana lagi kang maging mabait and study harder and enjoy being a teenager. And sana lagi mong natandaan that we are always here to love you, to guide you. And we love you so much. Okay ka, AJ?
My wish for you, Kuya Jello, is for you to be a good teenager at school and have good grades. And we hope that you will be successful when the years pass.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
And we wish you a happy birthday.
Papa.
Kuya, ang wish ko lang, palagi kang magpapakabait. Maging mabuting anak.
Stop.
Tsaka alagaan mo palagi ang health mo. Ayun lang, basta be a good boy. Ha, laging magdadasal.
Okay, we love
love
you.
you.
Happy birthday.
Si MJ pa.
MJ, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kuya Jello. Bye.
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 Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Lagi ka magpapakabait, ha? Tsaka, mag-aaral na mabuti. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. I love you, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Lagi magpapakabait. Mag-aaral na mabuti. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello.
We love you.
We love you.
Always remember that we patay. Ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Jello.
Happy year.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello.